Okay, this is my Estes Speed Freak rocket on an A83 rocket engine. I've never launched a rocket on an A engine before, so this is going to be my weakest rocket launch ever, and you'll have a 3-second parachute delay. Now, the big problem that I have is the winds are very strong. When I check the weather, I only checked the temperature and I totally neglected the wind speed, so it's a bit windy here. But this is a very weak rocket motor, so I'm sure it wouldn't go too high. I'm sure the rocket will stay in sight all the while. It wouldn't go out of sight, and I'm sure recovery wouldn't be a problem. So let's just do it. Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Okay. So that didn't go very high as expected from an A engine. Now there's a nose cone section. Here is speedometer reads, look at that, 0 kph. It's probably too slow to register the speed. What a shame.